Hello dear viewers, welcome to another interesting video from our channel Tech M9, and today we will review the one of the most used software on our PC that is named as Ultraviewer. It is one of the most best competitor of software known as AnyDesk and also Google Meet. So we will have some of its basic and see what kind of interface and how you can use it on your PC. So this is the official website of this software, www.ultravivo.net. So when you come on its home page, you will have some this kind of interface from the first page, and from where you can see that what kind of remote uh, software or feature that you are going to get by having it on your PC. So it is showing it has two plans, like a free plan are also available, but if you want to get more out of it, means higher and more benefit out of it, you can have its paid plan that is depend on you. So if you are going to have the free plan, you can simply click on here download, and also you can order now, but I have downloaded its free version, so I have it on my PC already downloaded. And for you, I will check some of its basics. So the first feature is that safe remote control. It is one of the safe remote control that comes with no antivirus or something like malware or any kind of things that can harm your PC or even your PC performance. So in the next you get chat window. Mean by having on remote connections, you can still have a chat window where you can directly chat with your partner by having this software. You can also share some files that can be videos, audios, and documents, and multi more. And the next one is multi-computer. You can control multiple computers at the same times with same speed. And when it comes to its latest version, it supports all types of Windows Server and support anywhere from anywhere in the world. Now you still know to visit, and you can have some free basics and a bonus income discount by having it while ordering for the first time. So let's move on, and I will show you what kind of interface will you get when you will download it and open it the first time, and how to use it. So this is the software. Mm, you can see that it is showing me some allow remote computer control and control a remote controller. Now, if you want to get something access to your computer, you will simply have to give your ID and your password. And when they will put your ID and password like here in that, they will be able to connect with you with via remote control. And simply, if you want to go get access to another partner via Ultraviewer, you will simply have to ask your friend or colleague to send his ID and password, and then you will simply have to paste it here, partner ID and password, and then again you will be able to connect with them via remote control. And this is how you can that simply connect that. This is the simple video, and that's how it works. And if you have any question or something want to know about more it, you can simply ask us in the comment sections, and press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.